BBL 851, turn right, heading 180. 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27.
It's been a well and truly quiet start to the week and was a quiet end of the last week as well. So I thought I'd take a look at the future of Boeing, but not quite in the usual aspect you may have grown accustomed to me doing, rather focusing on a battle that not just Boeing, but more widely the entire aviation industry is currently facing, and that's the race to have 100% sustainable fuel powering jet aircraft. It's one of the biggest tests the industry has faced on top of all the usual focuses, and this is something else on top of it. Boeing has said quite simply that by 2030 it hopes to be able to have its airplanes not only be certified, but in addition capable of flying on 100% sustainable aviation fuels. An ambitious target as described by them and by many other people within the aviation industry, but something that Boeing will actively be working towards in the coming 9 years or so to achieve more widely. The aircraft manufacturer has already been working at ways to battle climate change, with the commercial president and CEO of Boeing, Stan Deal, saying, "Our industry and customers are committed to addressing climate change, and sustainable aviation fuels are the safest and most measurable solution to reduce aviation carbon emissions in the coming decades. We're committed to working with regulators, engine companies, and other key stakeholders to ensure our airplanes and eventually our industry can fly entirely on sustainable jet fuels." Boeing has actually in the past, if you are unaware, operated test flights replacing the current jet fuels with 100% sustainable fuel in order to address the basic concerns that people have within the community. Back in 2018, the Boeing Eco Demonstrator was launched, and in doing so, was the very first commercial airplane that had the ability to fly using 100% sustainable fuels. The aircraft, though, specifically was a Boeing 777 freighter, and Boeing worked closely with FedEx to make that dream a reality. It's been quoted everywhere, but to put it quite simply, in order to meet aviation's commitment to reducing carbon emissions by 50% from 2005 levels by 2050, airplanes need the capability to fly on 100% sustainable aviation fuels well before 2050. This is where the end goal of 2030, of a goal to achieve this by Boeing, should I say, has really come from. 2015 is the end goal for worldwide, but of course Boeing will have their own goals, and that is why they want to do it in a 9-year space of time. Even though they have been working on it, like I mentioned early on, with the Eco Demonstrator, and even before then, they were working on sustainable fuels with different aircraft. We've already seen greatly a more sustainable and more efficient aircraft in the Boeing 787, but of course they want to develop that a bit more. This fuel, though, that you hear me talking about in this video and other people talking about can be made from many different things, like waste and other sources. However, ultimately, it can be made from a variety of different things, and I think that's what makes it so intriguing to see its development and roll out across the board. What are your thoughts, though, on Boeing's goal to achieve 100% sustainable fuel by 2030 and more generally their future with this? Do you believe that an ambitious goal like this that was originally set as a 2050 deadline is something that they'll be able to pull off by this date? Let me know down in the comments, and thank you so much for your continued support. I hope you have been enjoying the videos, and of course the quality with the new mic. I'm aware that it's probably not perfect at this stage. There's still a lot of fiddling on my end to make sure I can get the right settings, as it is very different to the microphone I had before and that I essentially mastered. So anyway, enough of me going on and on and on. I'll end this video now and see you all tomorrow.